Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you all doing well. Today, the video is about 1964 Lincoln Continental from Matchbox. This classic car represents the luxury and the timeless design. So before we dive into detail, let's unbox it. Just look at this beauty. Comes with the striking black and the chrome design. This Lincoln Continental really stands out. The tail lights and the Continental logo add that perfect touch to the diecast car. Now, while the headlights could use a bit more attention, they are not as sharp as we would like. It's an easy fix. A little touch of paint can make them pop. And trust me, it will look even cooler. How cool is that? One thing that stands out is how smoothly this car rolls. It glides effortlessly, which is always a pleasure for the collectors and the enthusiasts alike. The interior is fully detailed in white, adding to the luxury feel of this diecast car. And while the base is plastic, it's a well-crafted and durable made in Thailand. Now let's take a quick look. Hot Wheels also released a 1961 Lincoln Continental without a roof. I think it's a real gem. It was priced at $35, but it's unfortunately sold out. So if you missed out, don't worry. Instead, you can grab the 1964 Matchbox version for just around $1.45. I know it's not a 61, it's a 64 from Matchbox. But it's the same company. It's a Lincoln Continental. Just a 3 years different. So I think I'll keep the 64 from Matchbox. So what do you think? Leave a comment below. I'm really impressed with the Matchbox race. It feels fantastic in your hand and rolls with ease. It's a joy to collect, and if you spot it on the stores or online, you definitely want to pick one up. And if you're having a trouble finding it in local stores, check out Amazon or eBay. It's a great addition to any collection, and at this price. So that's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below to let me know your thoughts on this classic beauty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.